Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shereen here, and if you're new, I'm Shereen, and I hope you guys like my channel. Okay, basically today, oh my god. Oh, sorry about this. My dentist like made a hole in my face. Let's not talk about that. But today I'm gonna have a sister's day or a girl's day out, whatever you like to call it. So me and my sister, first we had to pick up her car from the dealership. I just have to pick her up from the dealership, and then we're gonna go to ramen, and then we're gonna do something after. I'm not really sure what we're gonna do, but yeah, you guys are gonna come through the sisters or girls day outs. So yeah, please ignore this. But yeah, I'm gonna see you on the car. Yeah. Guys, we're in the car right now. I'm not gonna record while I drive because I know my life will end. But I will try to. Oh, I need a sticker. Let's go pick up my sister from the dealership. Yeah. Okay, guys, I made it to the dealership. I don't know why the camera's like this. I don't know if it's just me or you guys can see it too, but it looks like a cloud or something's over the camera. But I made it, as you can see. It's in the back. Yeah, and I'm just waiting for my sister to call me back because I just called her and she didn't answer. It's fine. I'm here like a little early, so I can't really blame her. But yeah, I'm gonna update y'all when she gets here. You know. I survived. I made my first U-turn. I survived. It was very stressful. Not gonna lie. I don't know what I'd do without lane assist. My trusted lane assist came in handy. But yeah, I'll update y'all on what's going on. So yeah, see y'all. Walgreens. We just came back from the makeup store Sephora, and I'm gonna give you all a haul after. Hi guys, it's day 2 of the vlog, and it's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day! Anyways, we're doing barbecue, as you can see. Look at this bussin' burger. And then now I'm just cooking and waiting for them to come down. They're gonna come down any minute. Okay, it's not gonna work. But yeah, this is the Father's Day barbecue. So yeah. Opening time.
Oh, I like this.
Yeah.
I love a collection. Not showing for the camera. Another shirt.
Oh. Here. Full of money.
Oh, he's posing for you.
The cameraman.
You want to open the officer?
Open it in the garage or here?
Yeah, in the garage.
Okay, now it's tea time.
Because it comes out.
That's my mother, that's my sister, and that's the cornbread that we're about to eat. And that's the tea cooking over there. And I don't know why we're cooking it outside, but yeah. Yeah, and that's the before.
Mom, have you ever watched?
Love me. Those me not. Wait.
He doesn't love me.
It's fine.
I wonder what's set up already.
This is my whole. Don't give up on the person you're becoming.
That's the quote.
Lobster. It's called Lobster Sports. You wanna go get one? I don't know where she got it from.
wanna go get one?
Lobster.com. This is not sponsored. It's a tennis thingy that shoots balls, if you know what I'm saying. It was $2,000, and yeah, you can get yours 50% off. No. Wow. Wow.
From the rest of the things.
Alright, it's tea time.
So you use the hose for the rest of it.
Nina!
What? Girl, it's natural.
That's gonna be nasty.
Well, then you have the option of not drinking.
Not drinking. Wait, aren't you supposed to put the sugar first?
Well, somebody was supposed to put it.
Me?
No, she didn't told me to.
Hey, this is what it looks like. Looks like a Hoover.
That's the cover for it.
So you
On the website.
Yeah,
you said they put
You put the balls here and you start it up.
but you have to have it.
No, she-
Mom, I don't think it does that.
No, it's inside, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah, it is.
Inside of it?
That's how you do it.
That's how it's supposed
You
to
gotta
be.
carry it like that.
Yeah, it's easy. Right?
Okay, where is the thing? The
You're a rich man
charger?
now, folks.
Thank you.
They said the only clubs over there.
Ew.
I'm the first like residential address you went to.
Oh, Lord.
Wonder why they got confused. And then you charge it.
It's hopscotch now. Sorry. You need help? You need help, Nina? Own position, whoever can lift their feet the highest. Her feet are skanky.
She sits in the air.